Yo guys, Snapchat has updated and it has fixed all bugs. And one of those bugs was the method I showed you guys on how to secretly screenshot people's Snapchats. So they have patched it. It is no longer working. But don't worry guys, I have you guys totally covered. I have found a new method that works the same, if not better. Now guys, I have not seen this method at all on YouTube, so I'm not sure if a lot of people know about it or not. But don't worry, I will show you guys on this video exactly how to do it. So let's do no more talking and get right to it. On my phone, and I'm gonna show you guys step by step how to screenshot people's Snapchats without them knowing. You don't need any third-party apps or anything like that. Alright, we're in the app, so let's snap a picture to myself. Let's take a picture of this beautiful wallet right here, not sponsored by the way. So here we have a snap, and I'm gonna send it to myself. Okay. Sent it to myself. Here is the snap. Alright, and by the way, alright guys, so here we have the Snapchat, and I'm gonna show you guys step by step. So here's the snap I received. We're gonna click on it, and here we have this beautiful wallet. Okay, so now the method where I showed you guys, where you click on the camera, take a picture and slide down, it is no longer working. So what you guys are gonna want to do now is come up here on the three dots, click on it. Okay, and here you are gonna click, let it focus, where it says remix snap. Alright, so here am I with the camera, as you can see. So guys, what you guys are gonna want to do is click on the second to last right here. Alright, and as you guys can see here, I have the picture. What you're gonna want to do is keep it right here. Make it big enough where it will fit the whole screen. Alright, so there we have it guys. Oop, we're missing a little spot right here. Alright, right there, perfect. Now that you have it to the size of the screen, take the picture. Alright, now guys, here's the trick. You do not have to screenshot it, and you don't want to screenshot it, because if you screenshot it here, it will tell them that you have screenshot it. The trick is going to be by clicking here on the scissors, and now it's going to take some work, but it works. You're going to want to highlight the whole picture, the whole thing. Alright, so give me a second while I do this real quick. Alright guys, so as you can see, I have stickered the whole picture, and it has turned into a sticker. So here we have it, and it has turned into a sticker, but it looks so clear, and it's the size of the image. So now you guys can just discard it to the trash can. You can exit the picture, abandon it. You no longer want to deal with that. Exit that. Here you have the Snapchat you received. Click out of it. Alright. Now guys, here is the trick. You want to take a picture. Go here to your stickers. Alright, and here you see I messed up one time, but the second time I got it. Click on it, the sticker, and here we have it guys. Now you just can fit it to the size of the screen. There it is, and then you can just save it. Save memories. Alright, it's right there. You can see the quality is looking great and clean. You can exit that, go up here, go to snaps, got it. Oh, here we have it guys. So here is the screenshot. Well, not even a screenshot, it's just a sticker, but you see the steps. And here you see it guys. It does not say that I have screenshotted the Snapchat. So as you see, there is no screenshot, because we did not have to screenshot that snap at all. All we had to do is turn it into a sticker, and then follow the steps below to get the result. That is the way guys, as of January 2022, on how to secretly screenshot people's Snapchats without them knowing. And it is totally working after Snapchat's new update. Thank you guys. You guys asked, I provided. Drop a like if it helped. Drop a comment if you guys are having trouble so I can help you guys. Thank you guys once again, and on to the next one.